Next and finally is optimizing your checkout funnel. First of all, you do not want your funnel to look like this. You don't want red other than to signify errors in a form. Certainly don't want red buttons in your checkout, because nobody is going to be clicking that. That is just looks like a warning sign to me. You want it to be blue or green or yellow or Amazon orange. Additionally, you can add scarcity and urgency by adding a timer like this and seals like this, and also let's see if he's got it implemented. No, he doesn't. Another thing you can do is add Google autocomplete address forms, which really does help, and the customer really appreciates it. But that is it. I hope this has been a useful course. I appreciate it's very short, very choppy, very straight to the point, but I realise that we perhaps need somewhere to just list different ways you can increase your conversion rates. Of course, I do go over absolutely all of this in depth, in detail, step by step, how to implement every single one of these things in my longer course, which is Build a Shopify Dropshipping Business from Scratch.